I added another string bass over here, and we're going to hear how that one sounds. I'll just back it up a few seconds. Ooh, that gives me that. I almost want to say goosebumps. Gives me goosebumps, and that is exactly what you want. You want to feel that feeling in your system that just gets you excited when you hear the song. And that is the point that you do not want to change. So when in your mix you feel, because the mix is always going to sound raw and unprepared. However, if you get that feeling, for those of you who are starting out in the producing field, if you get that feeling, guys, do not stop. Do not stop there. Keep that feeling there. Do not let that feeling disappear. Okay? Build around that feeling.